Greetings from BITA Academy. Today we'll learn about the variables and escape sequences. So what is a variable? A variable is a basic building block of a program. So a variable is a memory location with some name where we shall store and retrieve the data whenever we need it. So the size of the variable, it depends upon the data type it stores. The syntax to declare a variable name is data type, variable name, and then semicolon. So the rules for defining a variable is the same as that of the identifiers. These we discussed in the previous video itself. So now we'll directly go into the comparison of identifier and a variable. The identifiers are used to give a unique name to the entity to distinctly identify it, but a variable is the name assigned to the memory location. And variables are a sort of identifiers. Both of them follow the same naming rules. Now we'll learn about the escape sequences. So what is an escape sequence? A character or a sequence of character that are used inside the string literal. This is the escape sequence. And it has a special meaning to the compiler. And the character is always preceded with a backslash. Now we'll see some escape sequences. The first one is the backspace. This backspace is used to move the cursor backward. The next one is the new line. It moves the cursor to the start of the next line. And then comes the horizontal tab. It inserts white space to the left of the cursor. And vertical tab inserts vertical spacings. Carriage return moves the cursor to the start of the current line. Backslash is used to insert a backslash character. Double quotes displays double quotation marks. Single quotes displays single quotation marks. Now we'll see some examples with the escape sequence. I'm typing the code. So I'm printing hello world. So in the next line, I need to print C tutorial. Slash n is the new line escape sequence. I'm saving the code as BSC SEQ. Okay. Now we'll check with the compiler. GCC file name -o. Yes, the code has got compiled. Without any errors. See, I have got the result. Hello world in the first line and C tutorial in the next line. Back to the editor. Now we'll check with the double quotation escape sequence. F. Greetings from BITA Academy. The word BITA Academy must be inside the double quotes. We'll check now. I'm saving the code. I'm going to compile the code. See, I have not given /n after C tutorial, so it is written in the same line. and BITA Academy is printed within the double quotation marks. So now we'll check with /T, that is the horizontal tab. Okay, /T and then greetings from BITA Academy. We'll save the code now. We'll check with the compiler. We're compiling the code. So after execution, see tutorial, horizontal tab spacing is given and greetings from BITA Academy is printed here. So guess you have all understood with the concepts of escape sequence. So in the next video, I'll come again with some other topic. Thank you.